Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is your stock watch list for Monday, the 16th of July. At the end of this video, I'll attach the let's get ready for the week ahead. All right, I put that out separately earlier, but I'll attach it in case you missed it. It'll be at the end of this video. We talk about the markets, the SPY, news, information. So that'll be attached to the end of this video. All right, let's get right into it. This is the stocks watch list for Monday, July 16th. ACHN will be on watch. We had a nice volume pop here on Friday. We came up to the 200 SMA and then pulled back off of that, but we had good volume on Friday, so ACHN will be on watch for Monday. AVEO basing under this $3 spot. AVEO 2.2 million shares on Friday. It's been had a big pop back here on let's see, that was the 9th of July. So we're holding up above the 200 SMA here. So AVEO will be on watch. Another biotech stock. AXON of biotech. You see a theme here so far with the biotechs. 2.7 million shares on AXON. We'll see if this one wants to do anything intraday in the after hours. We got bid up to $2.71, so probably has that 275, 280 number up ahead. Keep an eye on that one. BBOX has been kind of hanging around this 50 SMA, being held back from this $2.50 mark on BBOX. They jammed it down, they picked it back up, they got us back over the 10 SMA. Now we're kind of consolidating around the 50 SMA, and we had over a million shares come in on Friday on BBOX. So I'll keep it on watch, and we'll see if there's anything there for intraday for Monday or the rest of the week. BDR. Nice turn up here, getting over the $1.50 spot and then pulling back about 500,000 shares on this name, BDR. So we'll see if this one wants to do anything intraday. CAPR popped up here. You see this expanding volume here, 2.3 million shares on CAPR. Nice move up. Has that pulled back from the $1.50 and my 300 SMA there at $1.54. The solid orange line you see there. So we'll see if CAPR has any more juice in the tank for next week or Monday. CCIH. This one also popped up. Now this is a China name, CCIH, and there's been a lot of tariff talk between China and Trump and whatnot, but this one holding up well, holding up above the 200 SMA. You see the expanding volume here, and decent volume on Friday, so that'll be on watch. CEI, an energy name, small energy name, under $1 name, but big volume here, 38 million shares on Friday in CEI. Didn't do much after hours though, so this will be on watch. CLPS, trying to get up over this 15 area, got rejected around that 1506, pulled back, so that one will be on watch. Information Technology Services, as you can see, didn't do anything in the after hours on CLPS. ENSV, 470,000 shares, trying to turn and get up over the 50 SMA. Nice solid candle here as it got over the 50 SMA, so that'll be on watch, but a little bit light in the volume for me, so I'll have that on watch. FAST, which just had our earnings last week. This stock trying to get up over this 56. You see the gap up in the earnings from, let's see, that was on Wednesday. Then a nice push up here on Thursday. So holding those gains. Looks like it needs to hold this 54 area. So we'll see on this one on FAST. IMMU, a nice turn as it gets up over 25. 1.3 million shares on this name as it's starting to, a little bit of a cup. up and handle here. Recent high back here in June 21st, we had a high of 26. So 25 was a big number to get up above. We're above all the fast-moving averages. Another biotech name there, IZEA. Popped up, gave like an inside day, a little struggle here with the 100 SMA and that 250 area. So this one will be on watch to see if it wants to set up intraday. KIQ. This one now is an under $1 name, had 600,000 shares, but a few days back, you see this big expanding volume bar here. So this KIQ will be on watch. MRNS popped back here on Wednesday, the 11th of July. When it broke above that 8, it popped all the way up to 866. Now here we are again, holding above the fast-moving averages and getting back above 8. So a solid candle there. So we'll see what they want to do with that. PIXY had news, increasing sales and whatnot. So a big move up, big volume on Friday. This will be on watch. Intraday RCON, another small oil stock, moved all the way up to the high $1.74. So $1.75 is in the way. We held most of the gains, 700,000 shares on Friday. So that'll be on watch. You see it gives these pops and pulls back. So we'll see. I would imagine oil's going to have to move up. And with USO moving down last week, we'll have to see what oil does this week and see if we get further move in any of those oil stocks. RH, Restoration Hardware, you can kind of see this channel breakout here. So you have your lines here. Right, there's your channel consolidation. We're pushing up a higher price stock, 1.9 million shares, trying to get up over the 20 SMA, maybe a possible swing trade in that name. Save, I believe this had analyst positive comments on this name, pushing and bursting up through the 200 SMA. Good volume the last couple of days. May need to consolidate a little bit around this $40 level on SAVE, and I don't see many of the other airlines doing much, but this SAV popped up to about my 300 SMA. That'll be a watch. SE holding up pretty well here on SE, holding above the fast moving averages. The high on Friday was 1610, so if we can get back over that 1610 area, you might get a possible swing trade move in that one. SHAK, kind of a channel pullback here. Holding above the 50 SMA, trying to turn the corner, get up over that 65 spot on Shake Shack. Keep an eye on that. SIGA, big volume, 1.8 million shares, and a big pop here on this name. Stalled out at around that 750 number. If you draw your line right here, you see we've been up around that 754, 755 spot. Price has memory, so then the little pullback from there. But if we get up through these highs on this, now, I don't really want to chase it from 6 all the way up to 750. Maybe we get a pullback intraday to $7 and then a nice entry. We'll see on SIGA, or it may just be strong right out of the gate. So we'll have that one to watch. SNES, nice pop. 6 million shares came into this name on Friday. Has that $1.75 number up ahead. Keep that in mind. We've got big, huge volume back here on SNES, agricultural name. Been popping up, pulling back, held the 50, now moving up again. So keep it on watch. SPCB, 225 looks like is in the way here right now. Would like to see a little more volume come into SPCB. TGC, another one of the small oils, holding up okay. 500,000 shares, has the $1.25 spot. The high on this name was $1.26 on Friday. Keep TGC on watch. TPIV. Now, not a lot of volume in this name and very spready intraday, but interesting chart here, right? Nice pennant and flag and starting to push up. Maybe the highs here on Friday, 1065, maybe 1075 is enough to get this one going. We had a recent high back here on the 9th of July at 1076. So keep an eye on that one. Like I said, it's very spready intraday. So I would think this one more of a swing trade. Biotech name, TPIV. TRXY starting to round back up here on TRXY. The high on this name, 465. 6.6 million shares on Friday. RSI down here below. Bring that up for you. RSI is back over the 50 spot on the RSI 14. So that one could be interesting if somebody catches it and pushes it higher. So keep an eye on that. VKTX, messing around with this $11 area. Another one with the RSI back over the 50 spot. Volume 2.7 million. We moved all the way up on Friday up to 1139. So if we get up through this 11 area, maybe 1095, keep that one on watch for an intraday play. VKTX. Once again, the theme, biotechs have been very strong. VSTM moving up nicely, 3 million shares. We have that $9 area up ahead. Back here on Wednesday, the 20th of June, we had a high of 907. Friday, we got up to a high of 863. So maybe over 875. We'll have to see how it sets up intraday on VSTM. All right, that's the watch list. Let's just take a quick look at the futures before I let you go. Here's the overnight session just starting out. It's about 5 minutes after 6 p.m. Eastern time, my time. Dow futures are up 41, S&P futures up 4, NASDAQ futures up 12 currently on the markets. And don't forget, I'm going to attach the Let's Get Ready for the Week Ahead video to this one, so it'll continue to play for you if you click on it. Have a very nice, good day trading tomorrow. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and have a great day trading. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons down below. Leave comments. If you see any stocks I didn't talk about, put them in the comments and I'll check them out. Thanks very much for listening. Thank you so much for the support of the channel, and we'll be back at you each night with a Stocks to Watch video.